How to make money with n8n, even if you're starting from zero. n8n is a powerful automation tool that lets you connect apps, build workflows, and eliminate repetitive tasks. And the best part? You can turn those automations into real income. First, offer automation services. Businesses waste hours on manual work, things like sending emails, updating spreadsheets, or managing leads. You can build simple n8n workflows that handle all of that automatically and charge clients monthly to maintain them. Second, create lead generation systems. Use n8n to scrape data, enrich contacts, and send personalized outreach. Companies will pay good money for consistent, automated leads. Third, build and sell templates. Once you create a useful workflow, like a CRM automation or social media scheduler, you can package it and sell it online over and over again. Fourth, start your own automated business. Combine tools like forms, email, and payment systems with n8n to run things like digital product sales, newsletters, or even client onboarding completely hands-free. The key is simple: find repetitive problems, automate them with n8n, and turn that solution into a service or product. If you stay consistent, this skill alone can become a serious income stream.